Hello, my name is Ryan Hall, and I'll be representing the Hospitality Department for Walt Disney World Resorts. Today, I will be discussing how we as a company can help alleviate the unemployment crisis in our home state of Florida. Florida has had a higher average unemployment rate than the rest of the United States for most of the last decade. As of May 2017, the unemployment rate for Florida is 4.3%. The national unemployment rate at this time is only 4.1%. While this is still high, this is significantly down from the rate of 11% that the state had in 2009. The most recent estimate for population that was done by the United States Census Bureau in 2015 states that Florida's population has reached 20 million. Given the current unemployment rate and the number of people who live here, Florida has over 871,000 residents who do not currently have a job. Even just in Orlando, we have hundreds of positions that need to be filled at almost any given time. We can help both the state deal with unemployment and fill our own need for employees by hiring those that live within the community around us. To achieve this goal, we can host hiring events at local community centers and increase our recruiting efforts throughout the state. The new cast members that we would receive by implementing these practices could help us in more ways than just one. By hiring people from within the community, we can foster a better relationship between us as a company and the people of not just Orlando, but for the whole of Florida. If we can achieve and maintain good relationships with the people, we can start to better utilize societal marketing. To do this, we would need to advertise how we give back to the community instead of just what we offer them at a price. This strategy has already proven beneficial for companies like Tom's and Domino's. We can show the rest of the world that Disney, as a company, cares for the people that live in the same state that we all call home. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and please do consider implementing all of this into our hiring strategies. If you need any more information or simply have questions, you can contact me at my cell phone number at 817-673-3397 or through my email. Thank you again, and have a nice day.